deck. If you go too far, the top one takes you back, but the middle one's the friend.
Okay. So, this is about a mind-blowing fact that was quite engaging philosophically for me, and that led to a lot of different decisions that I would take even technically, right? This led to my event-driven architecture career, and this is the fact. Your life already happened, and you, or rather your conscience, are merely an observer of it. And that is scientific fact. Why? Because of space-time, right? Space-time is a very personal thing to the observer. It also, space and ticks can vary according to the observer's speed and proximity to the gravitational fields. As we all might know from science fiction movies, the closer you are to a big black hole, the farther it expands the time and dilation and all that stuff. So, fact one, these are the facts leading to the statement. Observers can never agree on the time that passes between events, right? Different observers, for example, our satellites have a different perception of time to us here on the ground. That's because they are farther away from the Earth's gravity. Fact two, they do not agree on the space between objects. Someone traveling at the speed of light does not have the same perception of space between objects as someone traveling at lower speeds. Therefore, fact three, which is an inferred fact, by deduction, they don't agree on the chronology of events. That is, event A, B, and C might have happened in that sequence for myself, but could have happened as B, C, and A for others. Meaning that there could be an ultimate observer that could have seen already A, B, and C, but for you, it hasn't even started. So therefore, in space-time, the only thing observers can agree on is the events, only the events that A, B, and C happened, not that they happened in that sequence, right? Not the order or the distance, but only that they happened, such as your birth, your death, your kid's life, and your kid's life. So, yes, it is true and it is scientific fact. Your life already happened, and you, or rather your conscience, are merely observers of it. Boom!
This is eventual consistency.
This is basically the basis of event-driven architectures.
Nice. That's okay. You have a really nice confidence when you're delivering, so I really like listening to your voice. The subject matter was great, I loved it. Even the flow of it was great, but I actually think your delivery voice, your style of delivery is very good. Your hands, they are something to be embraced, because when you describe things with your hands, most people are very conscious of doing that, especially when they're on stage, but actually you create some motion that the audience can follow with, so it actually is a good thing to be able to do, so I like that as well. Just some things with me, and it's more of an opportunity missed rather than a critique, as it was. You moved across the stage very well. You have no problems moving across the stage. It's something called, what we'll talk about after the break, called anchoring, where you anchor information across the stage, which allows you to move. The only problem with that you were doing is you were anchoring, you were moving in a really really good way, but then you moved off the spot and went back, and it just lost the momentum of
the spot, right?
So here you are talking, moved over here, which was great, and in a presentation situation when you're really you can give loads of information here about a particular topic, and then move and talk about another topic here, and then move again and talk about another topic here. You came over here, which I thought, oh my God, John's going to be amazing, he's moving with the topic, but then you literally were walking back as you were talking. So we'll teach you how to use the stage to anchor the information, and then you also have a little dance that you do. I'm going to call it a dance, which is just the wrong way around, right? So when you move from here to there, you literally look at the screen and then come back this way and face the audience. It's the wrong way around. If you're going to move that way, you should literally be looking at the audience as you go in. So doing the twirl at the screen.
I think I wasn't well prepared enough as well. I was reading the...
You did a little bit, but actually the interesting thing with you with this topic is you read it, but then you got really passionate about it in the front and centre stage. That's fine. If you use it as a cue, but I'm talking to the audience and I'm getting passionate about it, they're still with me. Talking to the screen, they lose me, and if you do your little twirl, they're basically seeing your backside.
Yeah,
You know,
that's not polite.
so unless you're a model, John, don't show them your backside. Nice job though.